Hello everyone, and thank you so much for joining me on this second installment of 120 Infoseconds. I'm Jason Nicola, and this week we're going to look at wfuzz, a really powerful and flexible tool for interacting with and analyzing web apps. So you can do things like find pages you didn't know were there, and even brute force login attempts. If there's anything else you'd like to see on future installments, please just let me know. And with all of that said, let's dig into wfuzz. So let's say there is a web app at back.to.the that we want to test for valid pages. So I'll indicate the URL with -u, and I'll also add on the fuzz keyword. That keyword tells wfuzz that words from the word list common.txt in this case should be inserted into the URL where the keyword is present. I'm also going to indicate --sc200 to specify that I'm only interested in seeing results that have a valid 200 HTTP response code. The only payload that was valid in this case is the word future, and if you interacted with /future, you'd see that it's a user login portal. Thankfully, we can also use wfuzz to try lots of different user password combinations to see if we can find a valid one. So I'll specify the URL again, back.to.the/future, and instead of fuzzing the URL, we're going to fuzz post parameters with -d, and the first post parameter is username. And I'll specify that that's going to be fuzzed with the first word list, and password is going to be fuzzed with the second word list, and you indicate that with the FUZ2Z syntax. So now I need two word lists, one for users and one for passwords. And I'll let this run, and it will make requests for each of those combinations. Most of them have the same line, word, and character count, but one of them is different. Now this indicates that one of these might actually be a valid login for username Doc Brown and password Great Scott exclamation in Elite Speak. So then you could use that combination to log into the web app and continue your hacking attempts with valid credentials. wfuzz has a lot more to it than that, but that's a quick and dirty intro to get you started, and I hope to see you next time. Thanks.